If you're considering buying Voilà, there are a few things you should know before making that decision. This product has become quite popular, but it's important to see how it stacks up against competitors and whether it's truly the right choice for you. Stick around until the end, and I'll break down the 7 things you need to know before pulling the trigger. Plus, I'll tell you how to get the best offer and a completely free trial, so you don't miss out on exclusive benefits. First off, Voilà offers a sleek, user-friendly interface that's designed for anyone, even those who aren't very tech-savvy. It stands out from competitors like Tons, Competitor A, and Competitor B by focusing on simplicity. While other options can feel cluttered or have steep learning curves, Voilà offers a seamless setup and intuitive controls. In fact, within the first 10 minutes of using Voilà, you'll notice how much easier it is to navigate compared to similar products. Next thing you should know, Voilà shines when it comes to customer support. While many competitors leave you on your own with limited resources, Voilà provides 24/7 support that's both responsive and knowledgeable. I've personally tested it, and I was impressed by how quickly they solved an issue I had, even over chat. This level of support can make or break your experience, and Voilà has certainly nailed it. The third thing, pricing. Voilà has a competitive pricing model that undercuts many others in its class, especially considering the features it offers. But here's the kicker. They often provide promotions that allow you to test it for free or at a significantly reduced rate. If you're unsure about the commitment, you can try it completely free through the first link in the description below. Moving on to the fourth point, integrations. Voilà supports a wide range of third-party integrations that make it much more versatile than some other tools. Whether you're using it alongside apps, other software, or need it to sync with a service, Voilà makes it easy to connect everything without having to jump through hoops. This kind of flexibility is a big advantage over some of its more rigid competitors. Next up, the fifth thing to keep in mind, features. Voilà doesn't just provide the basics, it comes packed with premium tools that can save you time and effort. Whether it's advanced analytics, customizable templates, or reporting tools, Voilà provides high-end functionality that rivals even more expensive competitors. This is especially great if you're looking for a cost-effective solution that doesn't skimp on quality. The sixth thing you should be aware of, security. Voilà has strong security features, with end-to-end encryption and regular software updates. It's clear that they take user data protection seriously, which is crucial in today's environment. While some competitors may compromise on this aspect to save on costs, Voilà ensures that your information is always protected. And the seventh thing, which many overlook, the community and user base. Voilà isn't just about the software itself, it's about the ecosystem you join when you start using it. The company has built a community of users who are active, sharing tips, templates, and resources to help you get the most out of the platform. Many competitors offer limited resources, but with Voilà, you'll have an entire support network at your fingertips. If you're looking to try Voilà for yourself, don't forget to click the first link in the description to get access to the best free trial offer, along with some exclusive benefits. This could be your chance to experience everything Voilà offers without any risk. So make sure to check it out and see how it can improve your workflow or business operations.